Hello guys and welcome back to SOP Academy. So there are two big hiring updates from Capgemini and Mindtree. So both these companies are currently hiring. So I will let you know the eligibility criteria, the role for which they are hiring, the hiring process and the other essential details. So first we'll start with Capgemini. So this is the official website of Capgemini. So they are conducting their pooled campus drive for 2021 batch engineering as well as MCA freshers. So this is the second time they are conducting this drive. Last time they started this drive in March. So this is the second phase. The eligibility criteria, you should be a graduate from 2021 batch. You should have at least 60% or above in diploma graduation, aggregate of 7 semesters and MCA aggregate of 5 semesters. As well as if you have done MEM Tech, then also you need to have 60% criteria. There is no percentage criteria from SSC or HSC scores, that is 10th and 12th score. The qualification MCA, BE Tech, all branches for both BE Tech are eligible. But if you are from MEM Tech, then only information technology, information science and computer science branches are eligible. Must possess excellent English written as well as spoken communication skills. Must be open to relocate to any Capgemini location, work across technology, domain, role, and should be ready to work in shifts if required. Should be open to signing a service level agreement bond. So there will be a bond as well. The candidate should not have more than 1 year of gap between academic milestone stages. The academic milestone stages considered are 10th, 12th and post graduation. So in between these education you should not have gap. So candidates who do not have a gap within academic milestone, the milestone academic stages considered are 10th, 12th diploma degree and post graduation. Example, taking 5 years versus 4 years to complete BE Tech. So in between the graduation, that is if you have started your B Tech in 2017 and you take 5 years instead of 4 years, that will be counted as a academic gap. So in case you have reappeared for 12th, then you must have both the mark sheets with at least 50% in both the attempts. Candidates should not have any backlog at the time of appearing for the process. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for the test or assessment or selection process. So everyone will not get the assessment link. Only the people who are eligible will receive it. The entire selection process from test to interview will be done in virtual mode, and candidates will be responsible for arranging the required infrastructure. The last date is September 1st of 2021. The assessments will start from second week of September. The registration button is here. Just simply have to click on it and apply. The hiring process, first there will be a technical assessment pseudocode. After you clear this round, you will move on to the second round, which will be MCQ based English communication test. When you clear this second step, you will move on to the game based aptitude test, and if you clear the third step, you will move on to behavioral round. And after you clear all the three rounds combined, then your technical as well HR interview will be held. So you have to clear all of the step 1, step 2 and step 3 rounds, otherwise you will not be able to move on to the next round. So only those candidates who have cleared the test assessment step 1 to 3 will be invited for the interview. So behavioral round is not a qualification round, it is just for getting to know about you. The behavioral profile mode is for understanding the innate profile of the candidate, for which we shall share a work style report with the students who complete the module. So please note that receiving the work style report does not confirm the clearance of test assessment. Post registration in the tool, you need to apply for the job profile to participate in the event. You just have to simply click on register now. When you click on this, the Superset website will open. So this will be the registration page. The CTC being offered here is 3.8 LPA for analyst profile. The eligibility criteria, everything I have mentioned. You will have to click on apply now and simply fill the registration form. The second company, which is Mindtree, they are hiring for junior engineer role. So this is basically a referral drive. So let me tell you the eligibility criteria. If you are from BE Tech in CSIT circuit branches from 2020 and 2021 pass out batch, and you must have no gaps in education, then you are eligible. Onboarding period, the onboarding will start from September 2021 to December 2021. The date of joining will be finalized based on business requirement, academic achievement and interview performance. So how you need to apply for this drive is just ask anyone whoever works in Mindtree. If you know someone from Mindtree who's working there, then you can ask him to refer you. Otherwise, you can simply go to LinkedIn and then search for Mindtree referral drive. Then many people's ID will show up. You can ask any of them to give you referral. The registration closes on 27th of August at 4 p.m. So you have 2 more days, so you can get yourself referred before that time. So I hope you understand both the drives details. So that is all for this video. See you soon in the next one.